How to add photo in Canva resume. So let's first head over and then creating here a resume. Let's find template that we can use. So some actual resume on Canva already have some photos. As you can see right here, this resume has photo, this one has photo, this one has one, but some resume also doesn't have one. So for example, for that, let's head over and then just choose this one, and then let's add a photo to this particular resume. So let's head over and customize this particular template. Click on this customize right here in order to open here a new tab. So we can see in here a resume. In order to add a photo, what we can do is we can click on this uploads right around here, click on this upload file, or once you have uploaded the file, you can see them right around here as well. So let's head over and upload in here a file or a picture. So let's add this. Then once you have added the picture, you can head over and then click on that particular picture in order to add that. You can just click on it and you can also drag it if you want. Now just position it where you want it to. Now let me position this right now. And then just resize them and then just add them. So that's how you add photo in Canva resume. Hope we helped.